Shenzhen Dinglongsheng Plastic Mold Company Limited is an enterprising computer components manufacturer located in Shenzhen, Guangdong Province. The company was established in 2010, and with years of rapid development, it has now grown into a prestigious supplier in the industry. The factory, which occupies an area of more than 7,600 square meters, with some 300 professional workers, specializes in design and manufacturing of keyboard and mouse in response to the demands of its customers. The ability to innovate is the most important driver in the sustainable development of the company, and thus it is committed to providing professional services to help customers with product development to seize the market. Now the company has obtained patent certificate to prove its ability for innovative design. By virtue of its relentless pursuit of high-quality products to always keep up with market trends, its products are highly praised by customers in many overseas markets, including the United States, Brazil, Mexico, and Turkey. The company has established a quality policy statement affirming its commitment to producing safe and legal products to define quality, and to meeting its responsibility to its customers. It has attained ISO 9001 quality management standards to ensure product quality and customer satisfaction. Besides product quality and development management, the company also places great emphasis on its performance in terms of social responsibility and environmental protection. In order to maintain the healthy development of its business and to meet international market demands as regards social compliance and environmental compliance for suppliers. In this regard, it has already obtained third-party workplace condition system certifications, such as BSCI, to comply with social compliance regulations. The company greatly values its employees, which enhances staff cohesion, so that all employees can work towards the same goal of promoting the company's development. The company's monthly capacity of more than 280,000 pieces of computer components and an annual turnover of some $4.9 million are the best evidence of this.
Looking forward to 2015, we hope to provide more and better products to customers and get more chance to work with the customers over the world. We will do our best for all the customers and partners. Thanks.